Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete recently played on your Spotify. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open Spotify app on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, on your screen scroll down and there you will be able to see all your recently played. In order to hide or delete recently played, Spotify won't simply allow you to delete from any delete option, but there are alternative way you can try out. On the screen, you will see the song that you have recently played. If you switch that song with the other song, that song will be added to your recently played and then the previous song will get removed. So that was the first way. Now, in order to hide your recently played from your followers, go to your profile from the upper left corner and then there tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way to the privacy and in here you will see the privacy section. There in private section, if you turn on that toggle, all your listening activity from follower will hide for 6 hours. So until 6 hours, your followers won't be able to see your recently played song. So this is the only way you can hide or delete your recently played on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful and make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.